guys, welcome back. I haven't filmed in a long time, but I figured this week was worthy because it's the season closer of Diesels in New York. It's currently Tuesday. I'm heading out of town to Syracuse to work all week. Still don't have my transmission back.
This is a load of barnacles.
And here we are about 2 weeks after the season closer. Got the transmission back. It's going in. Bummed I didn't get to make it. Still had a sick time. Show was dope. Dapped up Gabe Farrell. Sick time. Can't wait for the season opener. But today we're putting a transmission in, so pretty basic. Might post a couple clips. I still want to make a video out of this. See, we got the transfer case, heavy duty, rebuilt. We had a bunch of broken shit in there. That's how I broke the truck at the truck pulls, because I was pulling 4 high. Smoked the C1 and C2. Gone. See you later. They left the chat. But we got this baby. We got her back. I put a little anodized red on there, see what it looks like. Don't really care. Not gonna finish it. Got the new converter. Yeah, slap that converter in, jack her up, start bolting her up. Got everything prepped, ready to go. Waiting on my buddy to show up with the ATF and the Loctite. Yes, it is him. We had a catastrophic finger smash last night. Got the my torque converter bolts, make sure they're fully torqued. And I'm thinking about another hour after one more nut and bolt check, we'll be ready to fire her up. What? You started it? Yeah, you open the door. Yeah, cover your ears, Kai. Oh yeah, Kai, there's nothing hooked up.
You what?
These guys get my heat in this spot.
You always stop recording?
Used, never abused. Good tread. $100. Went for a rip. I ran a little low on fluid, so I stopped, topped it off. And it seems fine now. I checked it again. I'm letting it get up to temp. Drive up and down the driveway a little bit. Totaled my bedside. It matches the other side now. When I drove off those tires, that was stupid, huh? But like the truck says, no regrets. It's just a bed.
You just made Nola.
That's all she wrote, boys. Transmission's in, everything seems all right. It's going back to the shop. They're going to give everything I did a once over. Flush the fluids. But it's shifting good, holding fluid, not leaking. So I'm going to go drive this thing. And if I get any shenanigans, I'll be sure to add it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Relax. I just want to take some pictures.